Hello kids, welcome to Learn Fast. Let's explore nature together.
Hello, adventurous friends. Welcome to our special journey today. I'm Julia, and I'm so excited to explore the countryside with you. Are you ready to learn some cool English words as we discover the wonders of nature? Let's dive in. Before we start our exploration, let's learn some English words. Repeat after me. Green fields. Blue sky. Rainbow. Sunflower. Pine trees. River. A pond. Waterfall. Lotus. Windmill. Crops. A farm. Donkey. Cows. Horse. Goat. Great job! Now, let's use these words as we travel through the countryside. Here we are in the heart of the countryside. Wow! What's that? You're right. It's a waterfall. Look at the sky over there. What's that? Excellent! It's a rainbow. The farmer raises horses and sheep here. What do we call this place? Yes, it is a farm. Look at all the beautiful green trees. Do you remember the name of these trees? Great! They are pine trees. Wow! Look at that! We can have food later. What are these? That's it. They are crops. How about these lovely flowers? They like facing the sun. What are they? Easy. They are sunflowers. We usually find these beautiful flowers in the pond. What are they? Excellent! They are lotuses. Look at that tall structure with large blades spinning in the wind. What is called? Well done! It's a windmill. Look at those animals with a black and white or brown coat. Can you guess what these lovely creatures are called? Perfect! They are cows. Alright, kids. Look at this little animal with long ears and a braying sound. What is it called? You're right. It's a donkey. Hey, little explorers. Take a look at this small, lovely white animal. What is it called? Yeah, it's a goat. We've had an amazing time exploring the countryside and learning English words. I hope you had fun. Tell me your favorite word in the comments. Keep exploring and learning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.